Yoga for good metabolism. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pose is also very good for metabolism to improve the digestive system, to strong core muscle as well. This is also very good yoga posture for metabolism. Inhale. You can practicing Ardha Halasana. 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can stay in this posture without supported or supported as well. Or especially good metabolism. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is very excellent practice. Hold your breath outside, tightly close your throat chakra, tightly push your belly in, out, in, out. Namaskar, good morning everybody. Me, your asana teacher Shiva Pokhrel, my channel Yoga and Fitness with Shiva. Today I am going to give a very important yoga topics. That name is Yoga for good metabolism. Especially in this time, many people are suffering from their digestive issue. They are not able to properly digest their foods, their eating habits, their lifestyle, especially lack of exercise, lack of proper sleep. Our metabolism is going to deteriorating day by day. Therefore, you can, if we are practicing some yoga asana, applying some Ayurvedic tips and techniques, that is very good for metabolism. To improve your metabolism, greeny vegetables, sattvic food, and always far from the non-alcoholic, especially alcoholic beverage. Any types of outside of food is very bad, or especially maida's item is very bad. Therefore, you can practicing some yoga asana. First and most important yoga posture is you can practicing cat cow pose. Inhale, exhale, dynamic variation. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling. If you have time, you can practicing Surya Namaskar as well. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling. Then slowly you can practicing downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is a very excellent. Then you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you can practicing the plank pose as well. Plank pose is also very good for metabolism, to improve the digestive system, to strong core muscle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then slowly you can practicing the Bhujanga or baby cobra as well. This is also very good yoga posture for metabolism. Inhaling, exhaling. Then slowly you can move on the Dhanurvakra asana. Slowly lie down on the Dradasana and slowly go on the supine position. Then you can practicing the Uttan Padasana. Fast movement yoga posture is very good for eye metabolism, for cardio as well, or heart health as well. Then slowly you can practicing Ardha Halasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Slowly and gently relax, and then you can practicing inversion yoga posture, especially Sarvanga Asana. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can stay in this posture without supported or supported as well. Sarvanga Asana is also very good for metabolism, to balance our hormonal. Inhale, exhale. Lamp pose as well. Then slowly you can practicing the Halasana. Halasana is also very good for our especially good metabolism. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale is a very important in the middle of this yoga posture. Then slowly you can practicing the bridge pose or Setubandha Asana or Kandara Asana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is very excellent practice. Then slowly you can practicing the Halas, especially Nauka Asana or boat pose. Slowly, and you can practicing the Utthit Paschimottanasana. Slowly and gently. Then you can practicing some Kriya Yoga. Among them you can practicing Agni Sara Kriya as well. Seated any meditative yoga posture, especially preferably Padmasana. Slowly. Inhaling long inhalation, long exhalation, hold your breath outside, tightly close your throat chakra, tightly push your belly in, out, in, out, in, out. That is called the Agni Sara Kriya, to improve Jata Agni in your belly area. Then you can easily improve the especially metabolism. Take a little bit rest between 1 and 2 round. You can improving practicing the Bhastrika. Thank you for watching my videos completely. We'll meet next day. Bye bye. Namaskar. Have a nice day. Bye bye.